Hello and welcome to my channel Crafting with me and Deannie Jones, and welcome to Grabie. Have you ever heard of Grabie before? Well, they do have subscription boxes which are amazing. Today I wanted to share with you my latest Grabie subscription box. It always makes me so happy. It's like, Christmas or my birthday every time I get a Grabie subscription box. And as you can tell, this is the flavor folio. So for all you foodies, this is the perfect subscription box for you. This is such a fun box, and I can see this being used in so many ways, especially if you have small children in school. What a wonderful way to teach about nutrition. I couldn't think of a better way. Not only that, but there's a lot of yummy little photos in here. So they talk about bread, they've done coffee, and all my favorite things. Look at that. They even have a Cuban coffee maker, or I should say an espresso maker. It's not Cuban, it's, Italian. And then they got burgers, because that's, look at this. Isn't this adorable? If you had like a picnic to prepare, or, a barbecue that you're going to have, a family barbecue, what fun to make little signs and just cute little items. And look at these. I love all of these with the fruits and the charcuterie board. You can make your own charcuterie board. So fun. They even have those wonderful washi tapes. So cute. Look at this. It's just adorable. And you got desserts, cookies, and crackers. You can definitely use a lot of this even for Christmas. Look at that for breakfast and the fruits. I just adore this. They even have the tools of the trade. Look at these wonderful recipe pages. You can just take one and frame it just as it is. And the teacups, can we talk about the teacups and the mason jars? Just too cute. And of course, you always get a special bookkeeper or page keeper magnet with every Grabie subscription box. So let's see what I can make. One of the things I always worry about is using the pages, because they're double-sided, and sometimes they have such beautiful designs on one side and the other that you can't choose. It's so hard. But let's see what we can make today with this wonderful Flavor Folio Grabie subscription box. So I thought it would be cute to make something like a little breakfast. I don't know. I just love this because they had this notebook paper, and I thought it would be so cute to just create like a little breakfast list, because you got to have your coffee, and it can almost be like, imagine, I love this idea. I wish my boys were still little, because it would be so cute for like a Sunday morning to make them really feel special, to create like a little menu, and it's cute because all they have to do is point. I think this would be so adorable, and have like a Sunday morning breakfast, and you have certain items that you're going to put on the menu, like pancakes and eggs and all those kinds of fun stuffs, and then like add little tags. There's little tags that you can add. You can make little goodies for your friends and add little tags to it. There's so much you can do. I just love this. So that's one little project. Now here's another one. I had this board from a baby shower, and they were going to throw this away, and I said, no, give it to me. It's wood. Let me keep it, because it's like a little stand. So I'm going to make like a little menu on this stand. Not necessarily a menu. It's almost like a decor item. And it's cool because I actually used some items from another Grabie box, and it's mainly like this beautiful tissue that they had on one of the other Grabies. I forgot to mention, this also included some other items that were not in the book itself, including these cute, adorable little mini doilies. So I'm going to use the mini doilies and create almost like a very Victorian type of tea time menu board. And look at these beautiful china plates that are in here. So I can use those and put the little china plate on top of my little doily. It's so cute. But there's so much you can do, and I absolutely love this. Again, what if you wanted to plan a little tea party with your little girl, or even with your big girl friends, and say, hey, let's get together for a little tea party and do a little crafting. I think this is a wonderful idea. And again, I'm just using all the items that I received from Grabie, and some that I received in previous boxes from Grabie. You see this beautiful toile tissue paper? I thought it was perfect for our little tea time, and that came in one of their other boxes. I can't remember the name of it right now. And they even have these just beautiful little plates. It actually looks like they are 3D. There are, however, larger plates, the ones that you see right above me, that also came in the Grabie box, in the subscription box, that are embossed plates or platters, whatever you want to call them. They're beautiful. So I was able to coordinate everything with that toile paper, that toile tissue paper from the other Grabie box. But I found a teapot, a teacup, and I'm just adding and having fun. This is so therapeutic when you come home from a hard day's work, a lot of traffic, and you decide to just have fun. And the best thing about it is you just grab a book, grab a glue stick and a little scissor, and off you go, and just let your imagination run wild. Would you like a croissant with that tea, madame? I think so. A croissant. I love saying croissant. So it's just too much fun. Now, I got so excited because they also had a little project in the box, in the actual subscription box, and it's creating this cute little cafe or bakery, and I absolutely love it and got so into it. I forgot to turn on the camera, but there you have it. So cute. Just another little project. Now let's work with these beautiful little mason jars and these adorable little cards. I decided to just put something together. I added to the mason jar a little tag at the front of it where it said blueberries, and inside I was able to actually have some blueberries in my see-through vellum paper mason jar. Luna loved the fact that I was sitting still and just relaxed and enjoying my little paper craft today. So she just joined me there in the corner. As you can see, she'll appear again because she just loves to be around me, especially when I'm crafting at night and enjoying a quiet time. So here are all the little projects I made today with my Grabie subscription box, and I think Luna likes them too. She even likes the book so much she was sniffing it, and I think she thought it actually smelled like the delicious food inside. Now let me tell you more about Grabie. There's so much you can find. If you're into paper crafting, you please introduce yourself to the Grabie website, because there's everything from pens, watercolors, paints, everything you need, especially the paper crafting products. And I know as our local stores close in many areas where we get a lot of our paper crafting supplies, it's good to know that you can come to Grabie and find everything you need. And these subscription boxes are so much fun. As you may or may not know, I do work for a nonprofit organization that helps to support underserved communities. This is one of the reasons why I also support Grabie. Grabie has what they call the Grabie Art Fund, where purchases help fund the donation of art supplies to partner organizations who provide art therapy programs to people in underserved communities. They understand the healing powers of creative expression through art, and their passion is a way to support mental health. Please check in my description down below so you can find a way to not only express yourself, but help others to heal. All the information are in the links down below in my description, and look forward to more Grabie promotions. Thanks again for stopping by. If you enjoyed this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe, be kind. God bless each and every one of you, and live the adventure. See you soon.